to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bennett Ranch Bulls. This is Camille Gorskowski
and Isabel Mark, the morning announcements.
Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021.
Quick joke about the day is, what do you call a sleeping bull?
What?
A bulldozer!
Ha ha ha! Very funny, Isabella. Today is National Physicians Day. On February 3rd, honor the path that female doctors have paved since 1849.
Lunch today is teriyaki beef with rice. I hope you guys enjoy your guys' lunch.
Weather today is going to be a high of 58 and a low of 21 degrees. It sounds like it's going to be a really warm day, but it may get colder during the weekend, so make sure you wear warm clothes.
I hope everyone is doing well and hoping the best day. Also enjoy your classes today.
Recess rotation today is 1.
Today's arrangement is 2C.
Everyone have a faboosh day, and remember, Bulls lead the way.